If you can't even welcome your guest, then it's of no use going to any pilgrimage or donating millions elsewhere. Welcome back, children, to your value education class. Today we are going to study about guest is God. Today we are going to discuss about guest is God. I initiated the video with a quote which says that if you are going to any pilgrimage or donating millions, it is of no use if you are not respecting, if you are not welcoming wholeheartedly your guest. So if you are welcoming your guest wholeheartedly, there is no use of going to any pilgrimage or donating millions. And it's the Indian culture of Atiti Devo Bhava, which means guest is God. And this is especially in Indians. We are known for the hospitality and the code of conduct that about welcoming the guest and treating them as God. For us, guest is equivalent to God. Right? Here in the picture also you can see that the person is welcoming the guest and the guest is in the form of God. So children, here is a short story in which some foreign dignitaries are going to visit the school on the World Population Day. So the very first question which arises here is that when do we celebrate the World Population Day? Children, we celebrate the World Population Day on 11th of July. So here some dignitaries were coming from foreign to visit the school on World Population Day, and they have to respect and they have to showcase the culture of India. So here the class teacher of class 5 now arranged for the program. So they have planned about having the 4 girls which will be dressed in the Indian costumes like lehenga, sari, salwar kameez, the different outfits which symbolizes the tradition of India. And this was the idea of Mrs. Sood, the class teacher of class 5. And she also selected 4 boys who were going to wear dhoti kurta, achkan churidar, kurta pajama along with the tilak and all, and with namaskar with a smiling face, as you can see it in the picture. Yes, namaskar. आपने अभी ये चीज नोटिस भी की होगी that during corona this namaskar was very famous because when we do namaskar we don't feel the requirement of shaking hands, or we are not coming in the contact of anyone. So to give respect, to greet, it's better to say namaste instead of shaking the hands because of the spread of this pandemic corona virus. Also the teacher selected the 6 prefects who will be wearing the white uniform with the badge written prefect on it, and they will be there in the reception committee and guiding the dignitaries to the different parts of the school. That means the laboratories, library, playground, and they'll be answering the questions to the dignitaries whichever they might be having. They might be answering the queries of the dignitaries, right? And also the home science teacher will require the serving because they were also about to serve the food to them. So the home science teacher required the students so that the students can help her in serving the food and respecting the guest and treating them as God. So the students were required for serving and arranging for the table with proper napkins and table covers and laying the lunch. The students helped the teacher in serving the dishes, and everything was done with a smile. So now after seeing all these things, the arrangements, the dignitaries were very much happy and they were very much happy to see that the students were very well mannered and they welcomed them wholeheartedly. And hence, in the vote of thanks, whenever some function is going to an end, the people who is the guest who comes to attend that function always give a vote of thanks. So they gave a vote of thanks that they were very much impressed by the behavior of the students and the warm welcome which they have got here, and with the hospitality. And hospitality means सत्कार, आदर सत्कार जिस तरीके से उनको मिला, they were very much happy. And the person, the dignitary, announced that it is just because of the India's rich cultural heritage, and it is just because that they believe that the guests are next to God. They treat the guest as God. So with the thought, with the moral which we get is that we should be generous and friendly to the visitors and welcome them wholeheartedly, and we should behave properly and show hospitality. After the story, children, we are going to discuss the fill in the blanks of this lesson. The very first one is, tomorrow many foreign dash will be visiting our school. So the answer is, who was about to visit the school? The foreign dignitaries. Now what is dignitaries? Dignitaries means someone who is very much important and holds a very high rank, right? So they were some foreign dignitaries. Students of class 4th will be responsible for dash of the guest. For what? Beta, it should be class 5 first of all. The students of class 5 will be responsible for entertaining the guests. That means that they are going to welcome the guest and take care of the guest till the time they are there in the school. So the answer is entertaining. The first answer is dignitaries. The second answer is entertaining. Now the next fill in the blanks, they will apply dash on the forehead of the guest. Who is going to apply? What is going to be applied on the forehead of the guest? क्या apply करना है? Tilak. So the answer is, they will apply tilak on the forehead of the guest. The next fill in the blanks is, they will then do namaskar with a smiling dash, with a smiling face. Very good, children. The fourth answer is face. The last fill in the blanks is, you should use dash language. Which language they should use? A polite language, and they should be very humble to the guest. So the answer for fifth fill in the blanks is polite. I hope, children, you got the message how you have to behave with the guest whenever they are at your home or anywhere, and how you are going to use the polite words and you are going to be polite with the guest. With this moral, I would take your leave, children. Thank you. I hope you are going to implement this in your life. Thank you and have a good day.